Hello again, it's here. It's finally here. Hello, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Danny from ThePlannerTeaDreamer. I am also on Instagram. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell as you go for more videos. So, sorry there's a certain setup that I'm not used to. I'm filming on the floor, but it's totally fine because it's gonna be a fun video. I just received my pressed Floral Be Happy box, and it sold out on the first day, and I was glad to grab it. So I'm sure that everybody already seen how the box looks like, but I'm still gonna do an unboxing for those who haven't seen it yet. So I'm gonna take everything out, or I could just do an unboxing right now. Yeah, so don't worry, everything's gonna be fine. So I'm loving this paper. I'm probably gonna be using it. It says Bloom with Grace and the sticker. I don't want to break it because I want to save it. I don't know how to do this. Mind you, this is like one of, I think this is like my second Be Happy box, because I did get the Amy Tangerine one a couple of years back when they had it. So I'm just gonna, yeah, I want to keep the sticker. I love the blue floral acetate on the paper, and every time when you get a card, when you get a box, you get like everything that's gonna be inside. But I don't want to show you because I'm gonna show you right there. But if you want a sneak peek, this has everything that's in the box. So I'm gonna take everything out of the box, and then I'm gonna jump back in and show you guys what I got. So this is everything. So the first thing, I'm gonna like break it down. So of course you're gonna get your let me just get the card so I can just know, get the right information. So you're gonna get a sticker book storage box, which is this one, and I'm gonna set up later, but as they said, to keep it how you call it, so I guess leave it out for 24 hours for it to be a sturdier seal for the sticker books to be in. So that's one. And the next thing we're gonna get is your custom sticker, like build your own sticker storage. So you basically building like a sticker book of your own. So you could just take out pages from your other sticker books and just keep it in one as like an on-the-go sticker book. I'm probably gonna do it. They already have a couple of stickers here, and it does show you the direction how to use it. So let me just open it up. And so it's gonna come out like this. It does have a back piece, so you could just slide it out. So it's just like a sticker book. It already has like a pre, so you're gonna have, I guess you're gonna have your own label. You can put your own label there. It does have a pin just to let you know you can unscrew it, and then it could add the sticker. These are actual stickers. This is just one sheet, and it does come with these floral stickers that you could color them in. Yeah, you can really color them in. And I'm gonna set that up later. I don't want to hold up in this video too long, but yeah. The next is the Beauty and Floral. This is one of my favorite that I've seen so far for the spring. It's perfect for spring if you just want to do like a neutral spread. That deep plum purple. This is all me, all me. So that, and this is pressed floral. So it's like the sticker books are very colorful and, you know, realistic flowers, which is awesome. If you want me to do an individual sticker book flip through, I will gladly do so. Just leave a comment below, let me know. Let me just show you this one. I'm guessing everybody already seen, and this is my first time seeing it. So I'm seeing like all these colors. This is something that I'm gonna be excited for, especially on my birthday month because I love purple. That, and then we had this stuff. I can never pronounce this word. I don't know why. I don't know, but it's like a more neutral, like a minimalistic sticker. Okay, so you all the neutral. You got your gray, your pinks. I'm not much of a gray pink person, but it's more muted. So you could just do neutral spreads. A lot of full boxes, a lot of deckers elements. Like I said, if you want to see a full-on flip through, just let me know in the comments below. I know it's probably going to be a short video, but I'm guessing everybody's already seen it. But I am going to be doing a video setting this up with these and some of my favorite sticker books in here. So it holds up, I believe, 50 stickers in the pack. So yeah. So if you guys want to have more of these, it is sold out. They said they are going to be restocking these. So be sure to check this out. And I will be posting a picture of all the items that I got. And I can't wait to use them. So I hope you guys like this very short unboxing. But it's fun. Yeah. So have a great day. Bye.